Hello, hello. Good morning. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. And just wanted to know, are you getting ready for the cold front? You know, when those temperatures start dropping, right? Because we don't want to wait for the last minute to get ready for that cold front. Okay? So some trees we have to protect, especially when it starts dropping below that 40 degrees. This is one of them. Mango tree. That's a pina colada. And that's the ice cream mango right here. So when we go to protect them, right? We can go to places like flea markets, thrift shops, yard sales. You can get items like tablecloths with felt backing, burlap, frost blankets, sheets, old shower curtains, and I mean the shower curtains, the fabric ones, and cardboard boxes. We use cardboard boxes, right? So a lot of people be throwing away their TV cardboard boxes. We use those and anchor them down in a square-like position, so we can throw a sheet over the fruit tree that we're trying to protect. All right, old sheets, old curtains. You can get all of these from the thrift store, and I would suggest you get them down. So when it's time for it, you just go ahead and throw them right over it. Right. You also could use wood chips, pine needles, straw, tree guards. We use a lot of different variety of things. I also actually, when you have the paper towels or toilet papers, when you're finished with the roll, I actually save those rolls that you have from the paper towels, and I actually wrap them around my tree trunk. I'll put them around there for another mango that I have to protect, right? I put them around there for the protection, so I use those. And remember now, when the temperature starts rising back up again, right, we definitely want to make sure we take those covers off so that the tree can gather back its solar energy for growing, right? We want to make sure that we take those cloths off as soon as that temperature starts rising. We don't want to just leave them there and forget about it, right? Come back and the tree's gone, slouched down, dead. So let's make sure we start getting these items to protect the trees before it's time. Look at the Barbados cherries. Look how, you see all of those? I mean, this Barbados cherry. They just constantly giving me cherries. Every time it rains, matter of fact, my Barbados cherry tree loves the rain. And so basically, did this little harvest. Sorrow, the papaya, and a couple of Barbados cherries that have already changed. So yeah, let's go ahead and make sure that we go ahead and get ready to start protecting those trees that we have to protect. Now, I don't have many that I have to protect, but I do protect my mango trees. And what I do is I use these little PCV pipes over here. And we go ahead and we set up brackets around here. And basically square brackets on the bottom is what my husband builds and builds up. And then we throw the frost covering or whatever on it. So I don't square the bracket. We just straight one back, back, back. So this way, when the weather comes out nice, all we got to do is pull it back, right? But we wrap it all the way around. So that's how we protect our trees. Now, what I want to eventually happen is I want the trees to get strong enough so we don't have to protect them. Okay, so we're going to see how many trees I'll have left after this winter. And those are the trees I'm most likely going to go ahead and just stick with, right? Because I'm all about easy fruit tree gardening. And I want to just make it as simple as possible. So whatever trees don't make it this year, even without protection, we're just going to go ahead and let them be. At least for the time being, right? Until my fruit tree backyard gets more mature where they can take care of themselves. Okay? So just bring you that little info about making sure you get ready to protect your fruit trees and not wait for the last minute, because then that can bring stress as you run around your garden trying to protect your fruit trees. Okay, just bringing this new little info. Hoping you're having a nice day, a good morning. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.